Hello foodies! Welcome back to another interesting recipe in Svedanika the Kitchen. Today's video is about the best blueberry muffins recipe. Prepared with basic ingredients that are available in almost every kitchen and a couple of mixing bowls. Everyone loves a fresh batch of muffins, and the best part is muffins doubles as breakfast and snack. Kids will enjoy the extra buttery, soft and moist muffins with a flavor of blueberries. For that bakery style finishing, top them with cinnamon brown sugar drizzle. Watch the video till end without skipping to know the tips and tricks to make perfect bakery style blueberry muffins. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more interesting recipes and click the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. First, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees centigrade. This recipe yields about 12 muffins. Now in a mixing bowl, add 1/3 cup whole wheat flour. I don't prefer all-purpose flour much in kitchen. If you want, you can use it. Whole wheat flour is a better option. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all dry ingredients using a whisk or a fork. Keep this dry ingredients mix aside. Now add half cup unsalted butter at room temperature in a bowl. For any baking, we should use butter at room temperature. Now add 3/4 cup brown sugar. You can replace this with half cup regular white sugar. But brown sugar gives extra flavor to muffins. Since brown sugar is not that sweet like white sugar, we are taking 3/4 cup of brown sugar. With the help of hand mixer, mix it on low speed until butter and sugar mix it properly. You can beat it with the help of fork, but you need to use lot of energy. Now add 1 egg to the butter and sugar mix. Mix it thoroughly until everything is mixed properly. Now add another egg and mix it for few minutes. Remember that egg should be at room temperature. Those who have baking knowledge knows these basic steps, but for those who are new to baking, note down these small but important steps. Look, everything is mixed properly and a loose batter is formed. Now we add most important ingredient for this recipe, half cup sour cream. You can replace it with plain yogurt or curd too. Sour cream adds so much moisture to muffins. Add 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Mix everything until sour cream is dissolved in the mixture. Now, sieve dry ingredient mix into the wet mix. Mix the batter on low speed while adding dry ingredients. Beat until flour is mixed well in the wet mix. Now add 1/3 cup milk in the batter. Here I am using whole milk. You can replace it with any milk, dairy or non-dairy. Mix everything until you get a smooth thick batter. Remove the hand mixer and scoop out the batter from the hooks. Fold everything once again and keep it aside. Now let's prepare drizzle for topping. Add half cup chopped walnuts to a bowl. Add half cup brown sugar. Remember, we have to use only brown sugar here for the bakery style finishing and taste. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Mix everything. Streusel topping is ready. Now we add 2 cups blueberries and carefully fold them. Take care while folding blueberries into the batter. Don't let the blueberries mash. Now take a muffin tray or cupcake tray, line them with cupcake liners. I am using paper liners here. Spray them with cooking oil. Scoop the batter carefully and fill in the molds until top. Use the back of spoon to level it. Filling all the way top gives you the perfect tall muffin tops. Now add streusel on all muffins and press it with the spoon so that it sticks to the batter. Everything is ready now. Let's keep it in the oven. Now it is very important step to get the perfect tall top muffins. Bake it on high temperature, that is 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Yes, we bake it for 5 minutes on this temperature. And then lower it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees centigrade and bake for 15 minutes. Time varies to each oven. If the muffins are not ready in 15 minutes, then bake for 5 more minutes. To check whether the muffins are ready or not, we can use toothpick or fork to test. If they come out dry, then it is well cooked. If you see them wet, then you have to bake for extra time. Now muffins are ready. Let's take them out of the oven and place them on a cooling rack. Look at the perfect tall tops on each muffin. They look as good as store-bought ones. Freshly baked blueberry muffins are always my favorite as they are easy to prepare, buttery and moist, not dense, soft and cakey with delicious cinnamon drizzle. You can freeze them for 3 months in a Ziploc bag or a container with tight lid once they cool down. Refrigerate them 1 day before or leave them on countertop to defrost. Microwave them for 15 seconds to enjoy them hot. Do try this delicious blueberry muffins recipe and let your feedback in the comment section or in Instagram or in our Facebook group. If you like to see more interesting recipes, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.